Updating copyright information in LeaderGuide Pro is very easy to do. So whether we need to make updates because it's the beginning of a new calendar year, or maybe there have been some organizational changes, or you're looking to just get LeaderGuide Pro set up for the first time, there are two scenarios when it comes to updating that copyright information. The first one is for when we want to have new guidebooks built, what is the copyright that's put out? And then the second is for existing guidebooks, how do we go through and update that? Let's take a look at both scenarios right now. On a new guidebook, to update the copyright information, we need to get into the Preferences panel. So we're going to go under Parts, and we're going to come down, we're going to select LeaderGuide Pro Preferences. On the dialog box that appears in the Branding section, there's a line for copyright. All you need to do is come in, highlight what you need to change, make those changes. Once you're happy with everything, click OK, which will save or lock in our options, and then we can click Close. To update the copyright information on an existing guidebook, we need to navigate to the second page, which is the Acknowledgments page. And up at the top, there is a field where it shows the copyright. Simple enough. Come through, make whatever changes you need to for the copyright, and then for it to go through and populate into the footers throughout the document, come up into the Controls section, select the page with the exclamation point, which is Update All Fields. This will go, it does a few steps, but one of them is it's going to update your footers. And if I was to scroll later into my document, I can now see the copyright has been updated throughout the document as well. As you can see in both scenarios, it's a very simple process. So let's just take a little bit of time, make sure your guidebooks, both new ones that are going to be created and ones that already exist, all have the correct copyright information.